Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You open the Groovy invite, pick your server, and authorize it. This is the first action because without permissions, nothing works. Make sure you grant connect and speak so Groovy can join voice channels, and give embed links so song info displays. Once invited, move Groovy's role above any user roles that will control playback. This prevents permission conflicts. You do this now to avoid later access errors, authorize, position the role, and then proceed to a voice channel to verify Groovy can join. You now configure where and how Groovy responds because clear scope prevents accidental interruptions. Start by setting a prefix or enabling only / commands so users don't spam text channels, and then restrict play control to a DJ role or a dedicated music channel. Once done, set a sensible default volume, like 50%, and toggle autoplay or shuffle to match your server's needs. Make sure to test commands in the chosen channel to confirm permissions and behavior before inviting more users. You finish by playing music and managing the queue. Type /play followed by a song or playlist to add tracks, then use skip, pause, and queue commands to control playback. Once the queue behaves, save favorite lists with playlist save so you avoid rebuilding them. If something fails, Groovy won't join or audio is choppy, check voice region and channel bitrate, confirm the bot's role is above users, and restart Groovy or reauthorize permissions. That single troubleshooting step usually resolves join and permission.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.